Hey there. I am excited to announce I've lost another 10 pounds. What? Just throwing it out there? Sure am. I'm excited. I was actually supposed to be doing my blog for my next video blog in a week's time, every 4 weeks, but I've already reached my other 10-pound goal. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked. So I just want to let you know that I'm at my 3-week mark, lost another 10. I still got another week to go. I'm getting a lot of people asking me, what am I doing? So I'm going to share with you. At first, I was a client, and now I'm a distributor because I stand behind this product so much. So I'm not one to post stuff all over my Facebook and push products on people. Even when I retired and went into car sales, I couldn't stand behind one certain brand, no names, but I could stand behind Dodge, and I loved it. I even got offered a signing bonus to work with this other brand, and I didn't want to because I didn't care for it. It's not something I can stand behind as a person or as a salesperson at that time. In this case, I was a client first. I needed weight loss. I did it quietly. I did announce it all over Facebook. But now I'm screaming to the top of the hills. Oh my God, it feels amazing. I was at 242 pounds. Not anymore. I'm down 40 pounds. I'm super excited. And I still got 1 more week left in this month. I want that extra push. I have just a few more pounds left to go to reach the 200 mark, but my next goal was 195. So I can brush, so I wouldn't be teetering on the scale and crying a lot. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing, and then the very last product I'm going to show you is how I'm going to actually get about 5 more pounds off in the next couple of days, and I'll prove it to you, and it does work. So one of the first things I do, I have 1 or 2 a day. I have a shake. We're talking non-GMO, non-soy, vegan-friendly, dairy-free. It's amazing. It tastes so good. I get the vanilla one. I just mix in with juice. You can mix it in with milk as well, but I like my juice with it. Throw some ice in there, blend it all up. So good. I also use my greens on the go. They alkalize, balance, detoxify. You can just have these in a glass as well. This one's berry. You can get chocolate as well. So good. Sometimes I'm a little lazy or I'm in a rush. I'll actually just throw that in my shake as well and have it, so I don't make sure I miss that. Once a week, I do what is called a wrap, and this wrap can go on your lower back, your belly. It can go, you can cut it in half, you can put it on your arms, you can use a little piece for underneath the chin. And on this, oh, it smells good. I cleaned it, but this one smells really good here. On this, it has all kinds of little herbs and stuff in here that absorbs into your system. It tightens and tones your skin. So for especially those that are losing weight loss rapidly, this is your new best friend. If you don't have those lines and that skin sag from losing weight too fast, and if you are, please go to your doctor. You got to slow that down. Too much weight too soon, your skin can't bounce back. You got to think, your skin has taken that long that is slowly stretched out with you. Now you're going to lose the weight too fast. You're going to have excess. This is where it's going to help you. And this is going to help you as well. This is a defining gel. Put it on like a cream. You can put it on here, everything, your arms, your legs. And this is a great backup too. It tightens and tones everything as well. But my absolute favorite product that you can only use once a month is my cleanse. And this is how I'm going to get my last 5 pounds to reach my goal this month. Ha 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 ha. This one is only a 2-day cleanse. It's 57 bucks. And that's it. It's a 2-day cleanse. There's my little bottle. You take 1 of these in the morning, 2 or 3 hours before you eat, and 1 of these in the evening, 2 or 3 hours before you eat as well. And you have 2 the next day. And that's it. No, you don't want to have alcohol. You don't want to have high sugar juices. You don't want to be drinking pop. Why make your body work harder while it's trying to clean for you? So that includes fatty foods and high sugar foods and fried foods. Those are some just to hint. It's only 2 days, so if you can't get away from those things, heaven forbid, just giving you a hard time. If you can't get away from those things, that's going to be the best to do while you're on your cleanse. This, you can lose up to 5 pounds easily. You got to run to Mexico. You want to look good in a bikini. You want to get into that wedding dress. You want to look hot for that chick on that date. $57, 5 pounds, that's all it is. And you're like, $57 for 2 days for a cleanse. You think I'm ridiculous? That's how I got started on the product. Some gorgeous woman on Facebook put, hey, you want to lose 5 pounds for $57 in 2 days? Sold. I didn't even have to go through what I'm going to show you. You want to see how much 5 pounds? Okay, I couldn't get the weight exactly. So this is 5.2 pounds I did on the scale. I just, so look at this. This is 5 pounds. Is this worth $57 for 2 days? And you do one more next month for $57 for 2 days, and you've lost 10 pounds. How much is 10 pounds around your belly, you ask? 1 inch. 1 inch. That's a belt notch back. Yeah. 5 pounds, think about this. I want you to grab a Ziploc bag, fill it with water, go on the scale, pour it, get it just the right amount, and I want you to make your own 5-pound bag. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on my coffee table that's right here, and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to pick it up. I did a double bag because I'm ADHD, so I'm going to be playing with this a lot. But I'm going to remember what 5 pounds looks like. I should even make 2 bags because this is what I lose in a month. I was carrying this around. If you don't want to carry this around, give me a shout. I'm now standing behind a product I've been using for 7 months. I'm no longer a client, I'm a distributor. And this is going to be a way of life for me. This isn't something I'm just going to use to lose the weight and then forget about it. These products are amazing. My energy level is up. I feel amazing. I'm sleeping again. I've never slept in my life. Life is happier. Things are better. My relationship with my daughter is better just because my energy level is better. And I'm not as cranky. Sorry, Sheilyn, but it's true. So I'm going to get rid of this much in 2 days. Yeah. So yeah. Throwback Thursday. Want to come join me? Give me a shout. Talk to you soon.